Hello everyone, hoping you guys having a good day today. We would like to present a little bit about the two selected Islamic banks in accordance to three Sharia governance such as GSIFI by accounting and auditing organizations in Islamic financial institutions, IFSB 10 by Islamic Financial Services Board, and Sharia Governance Framework SDF by Bank Negara Malaysia. Two selected Islamic banks that our group chose are Public Islamic Bank Berhad and RHB Islamic Bank. So, in Malaysia's economy, Islamic banks and other financial institutions play an important role. The structure is different from that used in the traditional banking of Islamic financial institutions, including Islamic banks. So, Islamic banking consists of a code of law or divine orders that regulate the conduct of human beings in their individuals and collective life. Alright, for the Sharia. Sharia known as the code of laws or divine decrees that regulate the way people conduct them in the individual's personal and collective life. In combination with Sharia governance, Islamic corporation governance needs to establish a strong and sound regulatory framework. The main objective is to govern Islamic banks' operations and functions, including the requirements to license a bank to become an Islamic bank.
For the intro, I want to intro for the case in the public bank and RHB bank. The intro and the public bank and the RHB bank. Okay, for the public bank, this is intro for the public bank, and for the RHB bank, this
Sharia government is an institution and organization that ensure effective oversight of Islamic financial institution Sharia compliant with the issuance of the statement and resolution. The first important of Sharia governance for Islamic bank is the framework of Islamic government is aimed to make sure that Islamic financial institutions are always compliant by Sharia law in carry out the operation, so that the framework emphasizes several aspects, especially in strengthening Sharia compliance.
Of the importance is to ensure that this framework is implemented as effectively as possible. The senior manager in Islamic finance institution should demonstrate a good sense of Sharia compliance. The next one is to provide a system of check and balance within the organization. In Islamic finance institution, there are three functions that need to be established, which is risk management control function, operation function, and the last one is audit function. So in conclusion, Sharia governance help IFI in compliance with Sharia law or that have been established is and effectively implemented.
Approaches used by Irish Islamic Bank Berhad. First, they use GFISI approach, which is to harness principle of IFI. This then board of directors provides support for the best corporate governance practice. They also have established several board committees such as following. Next, they also use IFSB approach. During the financial year 2018, the director for this bank have attended some training program, seminar, and also conference regarding the Islamic finance. Lastly, they also use SGF approach. For this approach, the Sharia committee has been established to perform oversight and independent advisory role.
There are two approach related to Public Islamic Bank Berhad. The first one is Governance Standard for Islamic Financial Institution, GSIFI, and the second one is Islamic Financial Service Board, IFSB. For GSIFI, the standard implemented in Public Islamic Bank Berhad is Wakalah, Jualah, Tabarruk, and Alka Al-Hasan. For IFSB, the guideline used in the contract is approving the annual budget of Public Islamic Bank Berhad against their respective business target, and the second one is overseeing the implementation of Public Islamic Bank Berhad in order to ensure that the business using the Sharia compliance.
There is some difference between GSIFI, IFSB, and SGF approach in Islamic financial framework. For GSIFI approach is offered the product and service with Sharia principle and rules, while for IFSB approach is help the Islamic financial service and institution by promoting and enhancing the soundness and the guidance of the institution. Last, for SGF, Sharia governance framework, it makes the public more confident in the integrity, management, and business operation of Islamic financial institutions.
The objective between GSIFI, IFSB, and SGF. Okay, for governance standard Islamic financial institution, the point is to develop for the Islamic financial service industry the criteria for identifying, measuring, and managing. Okay, for Islamic financial standard board, the point is to ensure that all operation and business activities are in accordance with Sharia. For Sharia governance framework, the point is to control by monitoring and reviewing requirements according to established Sharia.
Sharia issue on Public Islamic Bank. In general, Public Islamic Bank was concentrating on Sharia compliant concept relating to consumer and retail financing transaction, small and medium size enterprise and deposit finance. Okay, now we focus on Sharia issue that related on Public Islamic Bank, which is Sukuk Murabahah. The 500 million nominal value of the subordinate Sukuk Murabahah was released by the Public Islamic Bank. Subordinate Sukuk Murabahah proceeds shall, without restriction, be made available to PIBB for working capital, general bank, and other corporate purpose which all Sharia compliant.
Three issues were faced in RHB Islamic Bank. First, fraud. Second, agreement. And third, in transaction. RHB Islamic Bank were comply with the rules given from Islamic financial institution. For example, the agreement were made with Muhammad Alias on 21st January 2004 was invalid due to the timing of the deal more than expected by RHB Islamic Bank. Actually, this issue was taken by the Judiciary of Justice, and it's proof that RHB Islamic Bank was false because they do not consider the devotion of the estate between RHB Islamic Bank and Ali.
So, as the end of this presentation, our main objectives are to investigate the three Sharia compliances, which consist of Governance Standard Islamic Financial Institutions (GSIFI), Islamic Financial Services Board (IFSB), and Sharia Governance Framework (SGF) towards our chosen banks, which is Public Islamic Bank Berhad and RHB Islamic Bank. We discovered that both Islamic banks have been practiced the three Islamic approaches in their management and institution that enable them to keep the pace of a successful management. We hope our suggestion will be beneficial for all Islamic institutions to to improve their business management in the way of Sharia. Thank you so much.